In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize multiple YouTube videos using Notebooklm in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student trying to condense several lectures or simply looking to streamline a wealth of video content, this guide will help you do it efficiently. Let's get started by diving right in. First, head over to YouTube and open the video you'd like to summarize. It's important to pick the videos you wish to cover, as these will form the backbone of your summary. Once you've got the video up, click on the 3 dots icon, usually found near the video description or player controls, and select the option to copy the transcript. This feature is incredibly useful as it provides the video's spoken content in text form, making it easier to process later on. Repeat this for each video you want to include in your summary. Now, it's time to shift your focus to Notebooklm. Go ahead and open Notebooklm on your device. This powerful tool will allow you to organize and analyze the transcripts you've just gathered. Once you're in Notebooklm, create a new notebook. Think of this notebook as a dedicated space for your project, where all your materials will be collated and analyzed. This structured approach not only aids in better organization, but also enhances clarity and access when reviewing your summaries later. Next, upload each transcript as a separate source into this new notebook. Ensuring that each transcript is entered as its own entity will be crucial for the program to accurately summarize the content. This step might take a bit of time, especially if you're working with multiple lengthy videos, but it lays the groundwork for a structured and efficient summarization process. With everything set up in Notebooklm, you can instruct the software to summarize the content. Simply ask the tool to create a summary, and it will process the textual information from your transcripts, highlighting the key points and themes. This automated process utilizes sophisticated algorithms to ensure that you get a cohesive and accurate summary from your selected videos. Once you have the initial summaries, take a moment to review them. If you find that any summaries require refinement, or if you want to emphasize particular points, make those adjustments now. Refining your summaries will ensure the end product is perfectly tailored to your needs, capturing the essence of the videos in a way that's most useful to you. Finally, when you're satisfied with the summarized content, go ahead and export the finished product. This can be done directly from Notebooklm, allowing you to save the summaries in a format that best suits your documentation or presentation needs. Congratulations! You've now effectively summarized multiple YouTube videos using Notebooklm in just a matter of minutes. This technique is not only time-saving, but also enhances your ability to manage and convey complex information succinctly. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more features within Notebooklm to further improve your experience.